What's up? Good morning. Welcome back. So today we are scouring junkyards and looking for front fenders for the silver sedan Integra. Reason being, the silver Integra, like the four-door Integra, wasn't a commonly built car. They didn't build a lot of these cars. And we are gonna hopefully use the front fenders for the rear. All these cars are rusty, so we can't really find quarter panels. And the reason, if you are new, that I'm kind of looking for the front parts and redoing a four-door Integra is they're just not a common car. And I think it'd be a good cruiser. It's an automatic. We're gonna have the B16 in it. So we're just pulling up to the first auto wrecker here, and we're gonna go see if they have any Integras two-door that we can steal the front fenders off of. One thing I'll say is, anybody who knows me, known me for any amount of time, you know that I love walking through salvage yards. Look at this. Find anything out here. It's just, I love it. I love it. So we're gonna see, hopefully the guy doesn't think they have an Integra, but we'll take a look down here. Look at it, it's just a gold mine of opportunity out here. It's everything. You never know. Like, you wanna build a trike, old school snowmobile, side-by-sides, campers. Maybe you need a Cobalt. Just a bit of everything out here. Well, boys, it doesn't look good. This salvage yard in particular, I've done 3 rows of 4 here. I'm just finishing up this last row. I haven't seen anything. I did find an Acura TL. You know, it has like the J32 in it, but it was a automatic. It was a standard. I'd have been all over that. But still cruising along here. Oh, like here's an old school one. Look at this. Awesome. Awesome. Yeah, I like that. I could get behind that. Like, I mean, anything. What do you suppose happened there? Oh my. Oh my. All right. Doesn't look good here. We're gonna head back. Like, part of me is tempted to buy this. You do not see these things this clean. Like, I know you think it's a piece of shit, but like, it's actually not bad. You don't see that often on those. The car had a lot of potential at one point. What's it look like on this side? Yeah, no rust again. It's actually still shiny back here. Look at that. Man. Oh, man. Look at this beauty. Like, you don't see these around anymore. This one's done, though. Like, you're definitely... cost you way too much to fix it, but why not? Super cool. Still a bit of everything on the way back down this row, but definitely didn't see any Integras around here, which isn't good. Here's an example of what I mean when I say gold mine, I think. Yeah. Acura RSX Type S, K20 6-speed, sitting right here. Look at, right here. I'm assuming the engine's still, yeah, I can see the transmission's still in it. Let's see here. Yeah, everything's still here. When I say gold mine. Oh, there's a Civic Si over here too. Check out here. So again, Civic Si, similar to the RSX Type S, 6-speed. Yeah, K20 sitting there. Super hard hit, but everything's there and intact. Pretty good blow to the side. What do they want for that? Might be worth might be worth checking out here. Yeah, let's go find out. So we didn't walk out of there with the fenders we went there for, but somehow walked out with 2 K20s and 2 6-speed transmissions. But whatever, we're still in the hunt, still looking for the fenders for this car so that we can get them mounted in there and carry on. But it's not looking good. It's not looking good. But either way, we'll just have to build something from scrap, I guess. Check it out, guys. We've got our new donor car here. We're gonna lob this thing apart. I wouldn't worry about that. That's gonna buff right out of there. Really, we only need the top part or bottom part of the fender here, top part of the wheel. Actually kind of cool because for the other Integra, we need the wiper motor, so that'll be handy. There's a lot of interesting things happening here with wires kind of everywhere. But also needed a clock for the other Integra. The 1/8 in here will come in handy for the silver car. These quarters actually don't look horrible. I mean, there's that, but you know, all things considered, we could probably do something with the exhaust on it. So this was $2,200. Definitely more than a guy wants to pay, but we can use the B18 out of it and the seats out of it. We do need a rear seat for the red Integra, so there's definitely a lot of good to come with this. And oh, of course, it's I'll just open this door here. Hold on a sec here, I got it. Oh, I was kidding. I was gonna show you the best part. You know what, I'll still show you the best part. Hold on. Well, it comes with various pliers in the door if we need, but, oh, let's just ignore that down there. That's right. If you need a vape thing, whatever it's called, we got one. All right. Sweet. All right, we're here at the shop. Got the fenders to go on the old car over there. I'll get some clips for you guys when we get in there. I got tunes playing. I'm not going to tell them to turn them off, otherwise we'll get copyright, but that's right. So we're going to take the 2-inch lip all the way around there and weld it into the back end of that thing. So that's it, guys. Make sure you smash the subscribe button, like, share, whatever, do all your stuff. If you're interested in this, make sure you subscribe though, because you're gonna wanna follow along as we build this car. Again, there's not a lot of sedans out there, so I think it's gonna be a cool build when it's done. If you're a Honda Acura tuner enthusiast, if you're a muscle car guy, it's probably not your cup of tea. Anyway, till the next one.